Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify your iOS version and have an Apple ID with 2FA enabled. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder so you keep all data intact while changing account settings. Next, open the ML app and select Create Account. Grant requested permissions for camera, microphone, and storage. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is stable. These steps let you start account creation without erasing local data, and they prevent unexpected sign-out wipe scenarios. Once you reach the account form, choose Sign in with Apple or create an email account to separate app credentials from device profiles. While filling fields, watch for toggles labeled Erase, Reset, or Remove data and turn them off. These cause clearing when accounts are switched. Enter verification codes from SMS or Authenticator apps immediately to avoid session timeouts. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions. This prevents the app from attempting a full device profile change that could trigger data removal. To finish, review sync and backup toggles in the new account settings and opt out of any destructive sync options. Save changes, then force quit and reopen the app. Confirm your profile, settings, and saved items are present. If something goes wrong, try signing out of the app account only, reinstalling the app, and signing back in. That usually resolves credential or cache corruption without wiping device data. One key troubleshooting tip: restore from the iCloud or Finder backup you made before starting if data is missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.